I'm Kathleen Hansen. This is one of my studio cats, Olaf, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. These vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises are for young voices to help warm up and explore in a fun and pedagogically appropriate way. I hope you'll check out my mobile app, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, which is now out for all platforms. It includes a whole bunch of warm-ups, including 4 different warm-up series for young voices. I appreciate your support of my work. Let's start by sitting up or standing tall. Shake out your arms and legs for a moment, get things moving around, and either get those wiggles out or bring in some energy if you're feeling tired. Now, let's sit or stand in a very aligned manner. Allow yourself now to relax ever so slightly like a flexible tree in a light breeze. We're not stiff, but we're still rooted and tall. Now put a hand on your belly and allow the middle of your body to relax. Take in a nice slow yawn and exhale on a ha. Now let's get that breathing going and say ha, 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 go, ha, 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 again, ha, 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 one more time, ha, 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 and again, ha, ha, ha. Let's keep our focus on that nice low breath and sing on ha, 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 hoo. We can sing ha, 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 hoo. Those first 4 notes should be very bouncy and detached. Here we go. Ha, 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 hoo. Ha, 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 hoo. Ha, 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 hoo. Do some sirens together. We'll start on an E sound and then move to an ah. We can make small circles with our hands to help keep this sound connected as we go. Here we go. E. E. How low can you go? Oh, how high can you go? Oh. Great job. Now let's open and close the mouth, letting the jaw swing freely as we say ya, 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 ya. Try it. Ya, 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 ya. We don't want the mouth to open so wide that there's tension, but we also don't want it to be stiff and closed. So now we're going to slide down as we sing this pattern. Ya, ya, ya. Now we don't always want to slide between notes, but for this exercise we're going to. Try it. Ya, ya, ya. let's make a creaky door sound together, like ee. Join me. Ee. One more time. Ee. Now we're going to take that and do it very, very quietly. Try it. E. Now we're going to see how quietly we can do this next exercise on an E sound. We'll sing E and go. Next exercise, we're going to sing on a very energized zing-a-mama. It sounds like this. Zing-a-mama, 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 zing, zing, zing. Let those last two zings be very bouncy. Here we go. Zing-a-mama, 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 zing, zing, zing. 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 Finally, we're going to sing the words, "My cat has 9 lives," like "My cat has 9 lives." Make sure to give the word cat a nice crispy k sound at the beginning. Here we go. My cat has 9 lives. 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 Let's finish together with a big sigh down from top to bottom. Great job. Thanks for singing with me. Keep it up, and I will see you next time. Exercises are for young voices and cats to